In this video, we're going to be talking about our handheld GoPrinter, but we're going to be talking about print size and how you can adjust it according to the artwork that you've got on your printer. Now, it's a few easy steps. So first, switch on your printer. Once you get to the main screen, then we'll start with the first place we have to go to, and that is print. Now that you're in print, you can actually see the artwork that you're about to print. Now, as you can see over here, we've already got our printed artwork in its full size that it can. But what if you want the artwork the same height, but you want it a bit shorter in width? So we're going to go into the settings, show you where to adjust it so that you can have the same height print, but a much shorter width. So while we're in our print, we're going to go to print set. And from print set, we're going to see that we are at encoder. Now you're going to go ahead and click down at this menu over here to bring up the menu we're looking for. So the first thing we need to do is make sure that our encoder is ticked and it's on. Our default division for our encoder is 3. Yours might be on 2, but 3 is the correct proportional size to choose. However, like I said, if you wanted the same height but shorter in width, all you got to do is click on this and adjust it to a smaller number. So all we do is go ahead and push on our arrow back button there to make it 0, and the number that we're going to choose is 1. Once that's selected, you say OK, and then you can go out of this menu completely, and we're back at printing. So let's go ahead and print that to see the difference in our width. Now, as you can see, we've got the same height in our print, but we have a much smaller width, which for most people might be something that they're looking for. However, if you find that you want it even longer than our original print, then you just adjust that number higher than 3, or put it down to 3 and then just leave it to its proportional size. But what if you want to change the size proportionally, so that if you change the width smaller, the height shrinks along with it, so that you have it proportional to your artwork? So that some people might not say that, hey, you've stretched my artwork or my logo and it's not proportionate. So let's go out of this setting and go to edit. Now that we're in edit, we need to make sure that we actually select our artwork, and then in the middle at the top of the screen, you'll see an A+ and an A-. If you click on that, it will adjust the size up or down proportionally to your artwork. Well, it's as simple as that for changing artwork size on both our 1-inch and our 1/2-inch handheld GoPrinter. Now, in our next video, which you need to keep your eyes open for, we're going to be talking about quality of print as well as how to maintain your epic cartridge for prolonged use. And we'll see you there.
AI may eventually take over, but what's for certain is that smart machines are already operating all over the world right now. So stay ahead with am.co.za. For 11 years, they've been the leader in CNC and printing machines like CNC routers, large format printers, vinyl cutters, laser cutters, plasma cutters, DTF printers, and many more. Visit am.co.za showrooms in Sunny Rock, Joburg, and Montague Gardens, Cape Town, or WhatsApp hi to 060 600 6000 for more. am.co.za. Achievement matters.